Are you fearful of your financial future? Well, this could be a worry-free path to your retirement or to even building your savings back up. I am Carol Reve. I'm 59-year-old grandmother of three beautiful granddaughters, 11, 5, and 2, and two wonderful daughters. Remember back to when you were at home and your kids were at home with you. They were young and you used to work a couple jobs to make a living and bust your butt, and you were still broke. The good old days, they're supposed to be called, right? Yeah, they weren't always so good, were they? But now your kids are grown and they're out of the house. Not only that, but they have their own families. They have children of their own. They have their own families, their own debts, their own struggles. And you want to be able to travel and visit them and spend time with them and make up for lost time and make new memories with them. But you can't because your retirement's not where you thought it was. And that wonderful job that you've been at for so long has still got you broke. So I totally understand where you're coming from. And I found this blueprint that not only teaches you step by step how to have an online business, but teaches you the skills to get daily pay. But they show you how to do it on a 2-hour workday. So you get your freedom back. You get your time to be back with your kids, now back with your grandkids, to make up for lost time, to make new memories. That's what I wanted. I wanted new memories. I needed new memories to me. And one of the things I love a lot about this is this grandma's no tech wizard, that's for sure. And there's no tech skill involved in this. They have a pre-built system all set up for you. The company gives you a website. So literally all you do is connect the dots. Just watch videos and connect the dots. It's that simple. So if you think this could be something that could help you either build your retirement to where you need it or just build back your savings. Maybe your savings isn't where it needs to be. I would absolutely love to share this with you. So just comment yes